Hello friends, I am Dr. Pathan. In Indian households, turmeric milk is a highly popular beverage. Whenever we catch a cold or suffer an injury, our grandmothers often advise us to drink turmeric milk. But have you ever tried drinking milk with both turmeric and ghee added to it? Indeed, Ayurveda places special significance on the combinations of milk, turmeric and ghee. The blend of these three ingredients is considered akin to nectar of the body. In fact, all three of these possesses antioxidant, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which help in warding off various ailments. Consuming milk mixed with turmeric and ghee before going to bed at night can offer numerous health benefits. Its daily consumption can help the body get rid of several diseases. So let us explore the benefits of drinking milk combined with turmeric and ghee. First benefit is boost immunity. Drinking milk mixed with turmeric and ghee can help boost the body's immunity. In fact, the curcumin present in turmeric is a powerful antioxidant and antibacterial agent that aids in enhancing the body's disease fighting capacity. Furthermore, ghee and milk are rich in nutrients that provide strength to the bodies and assist in combating infections. Second benefit is provides relief from joint pain and inflammations. Drinking milk mixed with turmeric and ghee can provide relief from joint pain and inflammation. In fact, milk is rich in calcium, which helps strengthen the bones. Meanwhile, ghee helps maintain lubrication in the joints. Additionally, turmeric possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate pain and swelling. Third benefit is alleviates cold and flu symptoms. If you are suffering from a cold or flu, you can drink milk mixed with turmeric and ghee. To do this, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and a pinch of turmeric to a glass of warm milk and consume it. This will provide relief from coughing, cold symptoms and a sore throat. Additionally, it will help clear a blocked nose. Fourth benefit is relieves digestive problems. Drinking milk mixed with turmeric and ghee helps regulate the digestive system and can provide relief from stomach related issues. Consuming this helps flush out toxic substances present in the body, thereby improving digestion. Furthermore, it can offer relief from problems such as constipation, indigestion and bloating. Fifth benefit is enhances skin radiance. The combination of milk, turmeric and ghee moisturizes the skin from within, resulting in an inner glow. It is particularly beneficial for individuals with dry skin. Regular consumption of this special beverage not only enhances the skin radiance but may also help in eliminating blemishes and dark spots. Now the question arises, how exactly should one use milk, turmeric and ghee? To do this, take a glass of warm milk, add 1 spoonful of desi ghee, that is clarified butter, and a pinch of turmeric to it and mix thoroughly, then drink it. Consuming this daily can offer numerous health benefits. So that's all in today's video. See you in my next video. Till then, thank you very much.